So hello guys, today I am going to teach you how you can install Python in your Windows system. So let's start. You have to first open your Chrome browser, then go to search and search Python and enter, and here you can see there is a website called python.org. You have to click on it. Welcome to python.org. Then on this page you can see a download button. You have to just move your cursor on the downloads, and here you have two options, Python install manager or Python 3.14.6. you have to click on Python 3.14.6 and start downloading. Here you can see it is downloaded. It downloads in my system, and then you have to right click and open, and then you can see there is a start Python startup, Python install Python. Then just click on this check boxes and install now. Yes, you can see setup progress is starting. This may take some time. Wait for it. Here you can see that setup was successful. Now you have to close this, close and go to your search options and type Python. Here you can see Python, ideally Python 3.14 16 bits. It is installed in your system. Now click on it, and if you want to run a program, you just have to type here. Let's say you want to run your first program. Print, then hello, and after hit enter it runs hello. If you want to save this file, go click on files and saves, and select your path and enter the name of this file. Then after the name we have to put the extension .py so that the file is run by the Python, and save, and here you get your Python program. Thanks for watching.